Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad supports the USB-C Apple Pencil and that the pencil has some charge. Once done, plug the pencil into your iPad's USB-C port or use the included USB-C cable if available. You will see a pairing prompt within seconds. Tap Connect. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled because pairing uses that control channel. This immediate action gets the device recognized and powers the pencil, so the tablet can configure pressure and tilt inputs automatically. Once paired, test the pencil in Notes or a drawing app to confirm pressure sensitivity and tilt response. You should draw a few strokes and try quick taps or the double tap action to ensure the capacitive controls register. If responses feel off, remove and reattach the pencil, then repeat the pairing. This refreshes the firmware handshake. Make sure the nib is snug. Rotate it slightly to seat it. Then open Settings Apple Pencil to adjust preferences like double tap behavior and palm rejection for your workflow. Finish by confirming the pencil shows charging and battery status in Control Center. This verifies a good connection. If strokes lag or the pencil won't pair, restart your iPad and reinsert the pencil. Rebooting clears temporary Bluetooth or power faults. If problems persist, try a different USB-C cable or port to rule out hardware or cable defects. As a last tip, remove any screen protector that blocks contact or recalibrate by unpairing, then pairing again. This often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.